Translate any sentence or text with S Pen. First of all, remove the S Pen from your device and then just go to your phone settings. In phone settings, scroll down and tap on Advanced Features. Here, tap on S Pen. Tap on Air Command. Here, tap on Shortcuts. And now we have to add the translate shortcut in our S Pen section. So just add the translate, and then go ahead and open the app where you translate something. So in my case, I'm opening this Gemini, and let's open a conversation here. So this conversation, and as you can see here, bunch of Chinese sentence. Now I'm going to translate these Chinese to English. So here's I'm tapping on S Pen, tapping on translate, and translate from, tap on this language option. And first of all, you have to download the specific language. So this is Chinese language. As you can see, I've already downloaded Chinese language. So here I'm just selecting Chinese language and translate to. Here I'm selecting English. Then I'm just tapping on, we don't need to tap. Just hover over the S Pen into the above the sentence, and the sentence will be automatically translated just like so. Let's hover over on this sentence, and here you can see this text automatically translated to English. So that's how we can actually translate sentence or words in S25 with S Pen. That's it.